Hey guys, this is Landon Barney, and I'm going to do my Nature World Adventure Dinosaurs. So, let's grab my first one, and his name is Styracosaurus. Pretty nice dude. Next two dudes, I've got a pack. Okay, sorry. I'm gonna have to do this video short, but this is another Brachiosaurus. This is a T-Rex, obviously. You guys think this would be a Kronosaurus, right? This is a Mosasaurus. This is a Baryonyx. Hey, sister. Go over there, Mr. Baryonyx. Utah Raptor. Two Megaraptors and a Velociraptor. That's the raptors from Nature and World. Diplodocus. Guys, it's another Diplodocus! I have both Diplodocus! Okay, I've had them both for like 3 years each. Stegosaurus, Brachiosaurus. And two Dimetrodons. Brachiosaurus. Diplodocus. Dilophosaurus. So Dilophosaurus. I already showed you him. Pinacosaurus, Spinosaurus, Stygimoloch. There's the Diplodocus. Oh, you two get out. Oh, sorry, the Stygimoloch I just showed you. Dimetrodon, Stegosaurus. Sorry, there's Dimetrodon again. Dilophosaurus, Brachiosaurus, Dilophosaurus, Parasaurolophus, Allosaurus, and finally, Triceratops. Thank you guys for watching, and bye!